So now that we are on Alabama Department of Revenue, we can take a look at the tax delinquent properties that are available on Alabama State's lands available list. To get to this site, all you have to do is search in Google for State of Alabama lands available list. And the website is revenue.alabama.gov /property property tax, right? You can see the URL right up here. So you can search or you can type in the actual URL in your browser. So now that we're on this website, if you take a look here, one of the most important pieces of information is actually reading the law. So I always encourage my students to read the law for every state regarding delinquent tax collection, because that's what's going to help you make your buying decision and understand how to do business in that state or with those counties located in that state. So here are the PDF versions or the Adobe versions of the property list per county. And the list is in alphabetical order. So you can click on any one of these lists and then open up the document. But what I personally like to do is click here where it says search tax delinquent properties. And now that we are on the search page, you could search by county, and then it gives you a list in a different format. Same list for each county, but just in a different format, right? So tax delinquent properties for sale search, right? And this is for Alabama Department of Revenue. And even though Alabama is a tax lien state, the lien certificates that are not sold by each county annually is turned over to the Alabama Department of Revenue, and they become over-the-counter certificates. The Alabama State redemption period for their tax lien certificates is 3 years. However, if the tax lien certificate is listed or is on this list for 3 years or more, when you purchase them from there or right off the list, then you're actually going to receive a deed instead. You're not going to receive a tax lien certificate, you're going to receive a deed. So we can choose any county in alphabetical order in the state of Alabama. And of course, every county has their own inventory. So some counties have more, other counties have less. So let's take a look at maybe mobile. Let's do mobile county. So let's search and let's see what kind of properties are on that list. So if you're looking at the search results with me right here, at the top of the header of the search results, it'll tell you exactly what each column means. So we have the case number, we have the county code, we have the document number, we have the parcel ID per property, we have the year the property was sold. So this one says 00. So what they are saying is that this year is the year of 2000. This was the assessed value at the time. This is the amount that the opening bid was, or the bid for the delinquent taxes was. This is the property owner's name, and this is the legal description for the property owner. Now, in Alabama state law, 3 years goes by with this property being on this list, and then it is escheated. And then the state takes it over and transfers ownership back to them. That's how the Alabama Lands Commissioner is able to sell you, the public, the investor, a deed instead of a lien. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll see that the column that has the year in it, let's see, the year sold will change from the last 2 digits of 00 to 001, which means 2001, 002 or 02 to 2002, and so on and so forth. 03 is 2003 and all that stuff. Now, these properties, you still have to do your due diligence, right? That's the name of the game. That's how we investors are highly successful, is that we complete our due diligence so we know everything about the property in advance, everything about the property in advance, right? So you want to make sure that you understand what you're buying, what is value, are there any liens that may survive the sale or transfer to you when they transfer you the deed, all of that stuff. You want to know everything about it. So what you would do is utilize the information listed here. And I do realize that there is no property address, but you can cross-reference the parcel identification number in that county and search the assessor's website or the county's GIS website and be able to cross-reference some information and look up the history of the owners as well as the property in official records of the clerk of court's website. So that's how you would do your due diligence in order for you to buy properties off of the Alabama Department of Revenue. For more questions or for more details, feel free to take a look at thejackyjackson.com. I teach a 8-week real estate investor training program that goes into detail about how to do your due diligence, your title research, and make sure that you're making the best decisions for all of the different types of properties that come up for tax lien certificate auctions, as well as tax deed auctions and tax or lands available for taxes, right? So those are the properties that are available after the tax deed sale or the tax sale has completed. In addition, I also have a bonus topic that a lot of people want to know, which is tax deed surplus, and that's included in my 8-week program. And to learn more about how you can become a tax deed genius or join the investor family, all you'd have to do is go to thejackyjackson.com. That's THEJACKIE Jackson, JACKSON.com. I look forward to sharing with you in the near future. Happy investing.